Hi guys, this is Yash from Fun Group and today I have another product to unbox. I bought this from Amazon and it is basically an Arduino kit. So it is from Quad Store and let's start unboxing. So it's the regular Amazon packaging and as you can see I have already opened it using a cutter. So what's inside? Yeah, so here we have this from inside. We got it, a Quad Store Super Starter Kit, www.quadstore.in. It says that it is a bestseller. There's a barcode over here, and it was free. A servo is free with it, so it's a nice thing for me. Uh, if you don't know about Arduino, you go and check my first video. So let's open this. It's a nice box with two flaps. Okay, so here is the opening. So open it using a cutter. Yeah, so here we have it. It was a nice cover. Like, throw it away. Now, this is the box. It says it all. Now let's open it. Oh no, it's here we have. So this is, I think, kind of the things that it includes. It's the manual. It's getting started with Arduino and all that. Alright, so let's keep this aside. It says it has an Arduino Uno 3 USB cable expansion shield, many products. So let's keep it aside. Now here is our Arduino Uno. It's a Arduino Uno, specially made by Arduino, not by Arduino. It's a clone, yes, obviously. Let's keep this aside. What is this thing? I can't recognize. Let me see. I think it's a motor driver, ULN 2003 driver. It's a ULN 2003 driver. Seems nice. It has 4 LEDs with it, and I don't know how to do it. So let's keep it aside. Then we have a mini breadboard. It looks like this. It's very small in size. Then we have a resistor card to show what is the resistance of the resistors that they have given me. Alright, let's keep this one aside too. Now we have some IR capacitors, RX, LDRs, 2 LDRs, these some small sensors. Oh, this is the main thing that I ordered for. These are LED segments. Oh man, they are so good at it. I'm going to show a tutorial on how to connect it from Arduino and other things. Okay, let's get this. There's a small IC, I don't know its name. It's 74HC595N. 74HC595N. I don't know its use. If you know, please comment down below. Now, here it is, the expansion shield for Arduino. It has a button. I think it's on-off button. Nice. It's a nice kit till now. Then we have some multicolor LEDs for our projects. So this was the first part. Now moving on to second part. Oh, here we have the main thing. It's quite big and nice. It's HC-SR04. It's an ultrasonic sensor mainly used for meeting obstacle avoiding things. I'm going to show a tutorial on how to make an obstacle avoiding car later on. So let's keep this aside too. What's this? I have never seen anything like this. Oh, it's an LED screen. And it's so awesome. You can print anything on this, connect it to Arduino, write your message, and it will be displayed here. This also I will show you a tutorial on it. This is one of my favorites. Now there's a remote. I don't know for what to control. There's a remote. It's like buttons are pressed, but I don't know. I don't specifically know what this is. Let's see in the manual. It's a breadboard power supply. Okay, it's a breadboard power supply. Nice. I'll try to use it. I don't know how to. It's the free servo that was given to us by Quad Store for free. Here we have a stepper motor, some extra header pins, jumper wires female to female, jumper wires male to male, push switch and their caps for protecting them, USB cable to program our Arduino Uno. Let's see what's in the box. How to open it. Is it to be opened like this? Yeah. It's an RGB LED. This is red, green and blue LED known as this is. Alright. What is this one? I don't know about this one. Oh, it's an IR collector, I think. See, close. Focus. Oh, I think the camera is blurred. Alright, so after this also we have many things left. It's a clamp for standing on this. Now here are some resistors. This is a breadboard, the bigger one breadboard. Alright. This is a battery connector so that we can give voltage to our Arduino using it. It's specially designed, or other battery connectors have this different. Then we have these resistors. This one is 1K resistor. This one is 10K resistor, like you see it. And we have 330K resistors. And this is 220K resistor. So, yeah, I got some bonus resistor. Yeah. So this was all in the box. Oh, there's one more clamp here. Thanks guys, this was the unboxing of our Quad Store kit with a free servo. So thank you guys and see you again after some time in the next unboxing. Please like, share and subscribe.